being a snowplow driver. It is an important job. For me, it was a career changer. It changed my life. I've been here 2.5 years now, and I'm now an active foreman for my stockpile. So the opportunities for PennDOT for advancement are available. I would encourage people to apply. We need the drivers. I take pride myself being a snowplow driver because I know that I'm keeping my family safe, the motor and public safe. Providing that, to me, is fulfilling that they know that they can trust us and we're out there for them and to provide that kind of service. It feels good.
So I began here as a temp, eventually got hired on as a TEOA operator. I worked the TEOA position for a couple years, got certified on some equipment, and I moved into a TEOB position. Eventually applied for a Highway Foreman 2 position, and I worked the Foreman 2 position for 4 years. And now I am a Highway Assistant Maintenance Manager, and I absolutely love this job. There's definite growth here within the department, from a temp to an assistant. That was thanks to a lot of good people, operators, good management. It's like family here, it really is. We all help each other out. I seriously do not know where I would be without this job. And this job has supported me and my daughter for many years. It's a great place to work.